internet. Today I'm going to break down the process of making this song, from the initial idea to posting my very first piece of personal creative content, ever. So, let's begin. First, let's have a listen to the original sample. A big thank you to Buck Kevin on SoundCloud for finding this sample and sending it to me. The day that he drops his flip of this sample, I'll have a link for it in the description. So I really like the sample, but I thought it was a little bit repetitive, so I went in and chopped up my favorite bits, and that sounds like this. And then I thought I could put it inside of Satala, which is kind of like a simpler for Ableton users, where I could just play it on the keyboard. So I played with that for a while, but then I didn't like how it sounded, so I scrapped that and decided to just go with the original sample, but half speed. I also automated my EQ just so that the depth of the sound would change over time. Now here come the regular speed chops. And it's worth mentioning that when they were coming in, they had just some sound artifacts that didn't sound nice. So I gave all of them a little bit of a fade when they come in, and that fixed the problem. I'd never had that before, but a little bit of automation on the toms to accompany the drop. Fade away the decoration sounds. And now we start switching back and forth between halftime and full speed samples. 3 layers of the original sample playing with different effects on them. Here we cut all the instruments except the piano. And that just makes a nice little drop. Here we have one clip repeated over 2 layers with an offset to build a bit of tension. And it kind of just makes for an easy transition into the chorus. I wanted to keep the chorus really simple to leave room for whoever might be singing or playing a solo on it. I just used a little bit of EQ like in the start to play with the depth a bit. And it's going to be kind of the same build-up as in the start to bring us back into the drop. After that, the pattern of the song repeats itself. It's a pretty simple beat structure. And as you can see here, I used a lot of automation on a lot of my tracks, whether it was for volume, effects, or EQ, and I think that helped bring just a little bit of variation. I hope that you guys enjoyed the breakdown of this beat. I'll probably do this again on other beats that I make in the future. If you want to hear the full track uninterrupted, there will be a link in the description to the song. Thanks for watching. Peace.